Good morning to all. I am Vinodini. I am studying 10th standard, Government Higher Secondary School, Tandavarayapuram. In our school, working in between the mountains and rocks. We don't have proper way, proper compound and basic facilities. Our school situated at rural area. The students affected by sex violence by some strange persons. For that reason, last month a girl tried to commit suicide attempt. She have drunk and poison. Our school teachers conducting adult education class and giving moral advices. Student going the rally about the sex awareness. If we came to know the reason, we have planned and decided to make a group, that is Students Welfare Club. This group will be protect and lead the students when they returning home at evening time. Thank you to all.